Welcome. I created this channel as a safe space, a place to breathe, release stress, and find comfort when life feels overwhelming. Whether you're dealing with anxiety, depression, or just the everyday weight of the world, you're not alone here. Each meditation is made with care to support your healing, your peace, and your resilience. If today's practice speaks to you, I invite you to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll always have a moment of calm waiting for you when you need it. Thank you so much. Welcome. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Allow your hands to rest gently on your lap or by your sides. Take a deep, slow breath in. Hold it for just a moment. And then gently exhale, releasing any tension. Let your breath bring your attention fully into this moment, allowing the sights and sounds around you to fade for now. We're going to move inward through the body, the mind, emotions, and spirit. You're just going to notice what is present within you, observing tension, thoughts, or feelings as they arise, and without judgment, by simply recognizing them. And also bringing awareness to any changes or shifts that you feel. So when you're ready, begin by bringing your attention inward to your body. Start at the top of your head. Notice any tightness or sensation in your scalp or forehead, simply observing it as it is. Imagine a gentle warmth or light easing that tension, letting it soften naturally. Move your focus down to your eyes and your jaw. If you notice tightness, allow those muscles to relax and release. Bring your attention to your neck and shoulders, areas where stress often gathers. And feel the weight here, and let your shoulders settle down, supported by the surface beneath you. Scan through your arms, your hands, and your fingers. Notice any stiffness or tension. And with each exhale, imagine it loosening. Shift to your chest and your back. Feel the rise and fall with each breath, sensing any heaviness or tight spots. And again, allow your exhale to create space and gentle release. Now move down to your abdomen and your lower back. Notice any discomfort or tightness. Now imagine your breath filling these areas with room and softness. Continue down through your hips, thighs, knees, calves, and finally your feet. Feel the connection to the floor, the support beneath you, and any tension easing with each out-breath. Take a moment to sense your whole body. And on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being completely relaxed, 10 being extremely tense, notice where you are right now. Take a slow, deep breath in, hold gently, and exhale, feeling any slight shift, release, or lightening in your body. Now bring your attention to your mind. Notice what thoughts are present. Are they moving quickly, lingering, or mostly still? Simply sense them as they are, without trying to change anything. You might notice worries, plans, or repeated thoughts. You can quietly label them, if that helps, such as thinking, planning, or worrying, and just acknowledge them. There's no need to follow them or push them away. Take a slow breath in, hold gently, and again exhale, letting the thoughts drift like clouds passing across the sky. And notice how your mind feels overall. Imagine it on a scale from 1 to 10, where 1 is extremely calm and clear, and 10 is busy or restless. Simply observe where you are right now. With each breath, invite a little space around your thoughts. Imagine your inhales bringing clarity, and your exhales letting go of tension. Even a small release or pause is enough. Notice if your mind feels slightly lighter or more settled. Now turn your attention to your emotions and notice what is present in your heart or your body. Perhaps you feel restlessness, worry, sadness, or even calm and contentment. Simply name what you feel, offering yourself kindness as you do. Ask yourself, how strong is this emotion right now? And on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being peaceful and 10 being intense, Notice where you are in this moment. With each inhale, imagine a gentle warmth entering and inviting acceptance. And with each exhale, allow space for your emotions to soften and to settle a little. You might even picture them as waves in the ocean, sometimes smooth, sometimes choppy. Just watch the waves without needing to control them. Take a slow, deep breath in. Hold gently and exhale. Notice if there's any subtle shift, a small sense of ease, lightness, or gentleness. Even a small change is meaningful. Finally, bring your attention to your spirit, the quiet presence within that connects you to life beyond body, mind, and emotions. Notice what is here. Does it feel open, vibrant, calm, or maybe even restless? Simply observe without needing to judge. Imagine your spirit as a steady, calm light inside you, always present, regardless of what arises elsewhere. Ask yourself, on a scale from 1 to 10, how connected do I feel to this inner presence right now? With each inhale, invite alignment and vitality into your being. And with each exhale, release anything that dims this inner light. You might picture a warm glow radiating from your center, expanding through your body and your mind. Let it touch any area that feels tight, unsettled, or heavy. And take a moment to simply rest in this presence, noticing how your spirit feels now compared to the start of this meditation. Now gently bring your awareness back to the full body, noticing the integration of body, emotions, mind, and spirit. Take a deep inhale, hold, and exhale slowly. Notice if there is any change in tension in your thought patterns, emotional intensity, or spiritual connection. And simply acknowledge what is present. Reflect for a moment on your initial scale measurements. How does your body feel now compared to before? What about your mind, your emotions, or your spirit? Notice even subtle shifts. Take a final deep breath in. Hold. Then exhale, releasing any remaining tension. Allow yourself to feel grounded, calm, and present in this moment. And when you're ready, you're going to slowly come back to the room where you are resting, becoming aware of the air and the space around your body. You're bringing movement by wiggling your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing your awareness back to the room. Carry the sense of presence and calm and inner awareness with you into the rest of your day. Namaste. Thank you for being here with me today. If this video brought you even a little insight or peace, please consider liking, subscribing, or sharing. It helps me continue creating and connecting with more hearts like yours. I'll put a link to more videos that you might enjoy in the description. Thank you so much.